Fairpick Crew Boss Training. What is Fairpick? Fairpick automates hand harvesting fruits and vegetables. The Fairpick system replaces punch cards and other ways of manually recording information and keeping track of piecework during harvest. With Fairpick, pickers are paid by produce weight instead of by container. You and your picking crew use the weighing station and your assigned employee badges during harvest to clock in and clock out and track produce weight electronically. This video shows you how to operate Fairpick correctly. The weighing station. Here's what you need to know about the weighing station. Power button. Press this button to turn the weighing station on and off. Charging port. Insert the charging cord into the slot to charge the weighing station. Scale platform. The metal surface on which pickers set containers for weighing. Leveling knob. This knob is used to level the scale platform. Stabilizing feet. Adjust these feet using the push and release buttons and the top cranks to level and steady the weighing station. RFID reader. Scan employee badges, container labels, configuration cards, and upload cards by holding them close to the red signal icon on the raised plate. Instructional screen. Displays weighing station status, settings, and instructions. Clock in button. Press this button to set the weighing station to clock in mode. Clock out button. Press this button to set the weighing station to clock out mode. Weight display. This screen shows the weight of items set on the scale platform. Receipt printer. Receipts will print out here. Receipt print button. Press this button to print a receipt. Paper roll compartment. This cubby holds an extra roll of receipt paper. Getting started. Step 1. To turn on the Fairpick, press the power button. You will see a green light around the button and you hear, "Welcome to Fairpick." Step 2. When the Fairpick powers on, you will see text on the instructional screen. The weighing station will first search for a GPS signal, then the screen will display the battery's charge and the weighing station's ID number. 4 pound signs, BAT, pound, 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 indicates a full battery. Step 3. If the Fairpick does not power on, it may need to be charged. Charging the weighing station. To work, the weighing station battery needs to be charged. Step 1. The weighing station should be off while charging to prevent slow charging and undercharging. If the Fairpick battery needs to be charged and the weighing station is on, press the power button to power down the weighing station. Step 2. Connect the charging cable to the weighing station charging port and to a 110-volt power supply. A bar on the instructional screen indicates the battery's charge. It takes approximately 4 hours to fully charge the weighing station battery. Second Sight Bioscience recommends charging the weighing station after each day of harvest. Step 3. When the Fairpick battery is fully charged, carefully unplug the charging cable from the power supply and from the weighing station charging port. Loading receipt paper. The Fairpick holds a roll of receipt paper. After each weighing, pickers can push a button to get a receipt, or pickers can push a button to get a final receipt after clocking out at the end of the day. To load receipt paper in the Fairpick, do the following. Step 1. Pull the plastic tab down to open the printer door. Step 2. Place a new roll of paper into the paper roll compartment. Make sure the paper is installed in the correct direction with the end of the paper curling over the top of the roll. Step 3. Close the door of the paper roll compartment by pushing the tab up and pressing the door shut until it snaps into place. Step 4. Press the feed button, then the cut button to finish installing the paper roll. Your employee badge. As a crew boss, you will be issued a special employee badge, either a bracelet or card, programmed with your name and employee number. Your badge allows you to do some things on the weighing station that employees who are not crew bosses cannot do. You will use your badge to clock in and clock out, to program the weighing station, and to upload data. You cannot use Fairpick without your employee badge. Remember to bring your badge each day of harvest. Programming the weighing station. What are configuration cards? Configuration cards are RFID cards preloaded with important settings and information, including the language, time zone, container types, location and batch information, and tracking features. Growers use configuration cards to program this type of information into weighing stations. This information may change the weighing process and how the Fairpick collects data. You will be instructed to program your weighing station with a specific configuration card before harvest begins each day. Step 1. First, power on your assigned weighing station. Step 2. Next, clock in by pressing the In button. This sets the weighing station to clock in mode. Then, scan your employee badge by holding it close to the red signal icon. The weighing station beeps when it registers your badge. You are now clocked in to the weighing station and can proceed to program it. Step 3. Next, scan the configuration card by holding it close to the red signal icon. The weighing station beeps when it registers the card. It may take several seconds for the weighing station to read the card, so continue to hold it close to the red signal icon until you hear the beep. The configuration settings appear briefly on the instructional screen. The weighing station is now programmed for harvest. If you do not hear a beep after you scan the configuration card, your employee badge may not be designated as a crew boss badge. You can only scan a configuration card after you've clocked in with the badge given crew boss status. Moving the weighing station. Note: before leaving for the field, we recommend that you make sure the battery is fully charged. Step 1. Flip the clear lid down and secure it with the lid latches. Remember to close and secure the lid latches before transport, if it begins to rain, or before washing the weighing station, because closing and latching the lid protects the important electronics from damage. Step 2. Move the weighing station by holding the top handle, tilting the unit back on the two wheels, and pulling it to the desired location. Setting up for harvest. Step 1. When you arrive at the location where your crew will harvest, you will need to set up the fair pick. You may need to raise or lower the scale platform to make it easier for pickers to weigh their produce. Adjust the height of the scale platform by removing the two pins that secure the scale platform to the frame. Step 2. Remove the pins by pulling the metal loop over the end of the pin so that the scale platform can be moved up or down. Step 3. Position the scale platform at the desired height and realign the holes so that the pins can be reinserted. Step 4. Reinsert the pins and carefully secure them by pulling the metal loop over the end of the screw. Step 5. Stabilize the weighing station by adjusting the stabilizing feet. Adjust each foot by pressing the spring bolt button and sliding the stabilizing foot into place. Then release the button to lock in the foot height. Step 6. To level the fair pick frame, make minor adjustments to the stabilizing feet by turning each handle. Turn the handle clockwise to raise the weighing station. Turn the handle counterclockwise to lower it. Once the fair pick frame is level, you still may need to level the scale platform for optimal weighing. Generally, if the scale platform looks level, it is. If you need to level the scale platform, loosen the leveling knob by turning it counterclockwise. Adjust the angle of the scale, then turn the knob clockwise to tighten it. To verify if the scale platform is level, you can lift the top of the scale platform. There is a bubble level underneath that will show whether or not the scale platform is level. Step 7. Release the lid latches under the electronics box and lift the lid. Step 8. Press the power button to power on the weighing station. When you hear "Welcome to Fairpick," it is on and ready to use. Data upload. Step 1. To upload data, power on the weighing station. Step 2. Press the In button. Step 3. Scan your employee badge. The badge must have crew boss status to perform this function. Step 4. After the weighing station beeps, registering your badge, scan a card designated as an upload card. The weighing station beeps when it initiates the data upload. Step 5. When the data has finished uploading, the screen will say Successful Upload. If the data did not upload, the screen will say Failed Upload. Troubleshooting a failed upload. The weighing station needs to be in range of the Fairpick wireless internet router installed at your office or the designated Fairpick router location. If the instructional screen says Failed to connect to AP access point, you may need to move the weighing station closer to the Fairpick router. Follow the previous steps to retry the data upload. Step 1. Press the In button. Step 2. Scan badge with crew boss status. Step 3. Scan upload card. Thank you for watching. Fairpick, a better way to harvest.